Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a while. This is Angel from Angel Illustrations, and I'm back today with a, well, the title says it's called pencil piece. It's more of a mixed media piece. So, where have I been? Well, let's be straight. I worked my backside off. I have a now 5-month-old. Time is at a premium. So don't want to dwell too much on that. I want to get back to making videos more regularly, but that's not gonna happen for a little while. So what I'm gonna do is upload one long form video like this a month, and maybe a couple of sketchbook studies chucked in amongst everything, and then hopefully we'll get back to some sort of regular scheduled programming. So what is this piece that you're seeing in front of you? Well, initially I intended this to be a sort of tutorial, so talking more about how I do things, how I blend, how I use markers and coloured pencils now, layering, but in typical Angel Illustrations fashion, I completely botched my choice of paper on this and spent the entire time arguing with it to the point where I nearly gave up. So yeah, I am going to do some kind of tutorial, maybe shorter bites on the sketchbook stuff, just to show how I blend, why I use certain pencils, what I use certain pencils for, why I mix pencils, that kind of thing. I'm creeping up on 200 subscribers now, which I'm happy with. A lot of people wouldn't be, but hey, it's a fantastic time here because, you know, there are 200 people interested in my nonsense. Allegedly, I don't know. But this piece is sort of a remake of an older piece. The original was a 3D render of a base image, and then my friend Kate and I, we sort of did this whole, well, you do your take on it, I'll do my take and see what happens. And I made my take. It was a digital piece. I don't do digital anymore. Well, I might do some, I don't know. And she did hers, but that file's long gone. So this is my remake. It's marker, coloured pencil, water-soluble crayon, tears, sweat, terror, Derwent line makers. You know, it's all crazy. So, there you go. First one of the year. Happy New Year to all my subscribers. Happy New Year to anybody that isn't subscribed. If you're not subscribed, you know where the little subscribe button is, and ring the bell and all that nonsense. You saw the thing at the start of the video, I don't care. Anyway, I'll leave you to it. Have a fantastic January, and let's all hope 2021 is way better than 2020 could ever pretend to be. Take it easy.